In a world where environment conservation is paramount, our education institutions serve as critical hubs for change. Educators are the bridges connecting our schools with local communities, health centers, and grassroots organizations. Through extensive workshops, we have been training more than 250 Zilla Parishad School teachers in Thane and Palghar districts. The focus areas include tree plantation, climate education, solar energy adoption, carbon footprint reduction, and sustainable natural resource management. Out of them, 50 have been chosen as master trainers to lead climate change initiatives in their schools and colleges. These trainers have successfully implemented projects in 40 Zilla Parishad schools and 10 government offices by planting trees in 20 schools, installing solar systems in 5 schools, and most importantly, positively impacting 1,000 students.